In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete AnyDesk from your Windows computer step by step, including the program itself and the leftover files that can remain behind after uninstalling. This is a quick and easy way to fully remove AnyDesk if you no longer use it, if you want to free up space, or if you simply want a cleaner system. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen. Type Control Panel into the search box, then click Control Panel when it appears in the results. This will open the classic Windows settings area where you can manage installed programs. Once Control Panel opens, click Programs. From there, select Uninstall a program. This will bring up a list of all the applications installed on your computer. Give it a few seconds to load completely so everything appears properly. Now scroll through the list and find AnyDesk. Once you see it, click it one time to highlight it. After that, click Uninstall at the top of the window. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and approve the prompt. The uninstall process will begin, and you just need to wait until it finishes. After AnyDesk is removed, there may still be leftover files saved on your PC. To clean those up, press Windows and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type %appdata and press Enter. This opens your roaming AppData folder. Look for a folder named AnyDesk. If you see it, right-click it and choose Delete. Next, press Windows and R again to open Run one more time. This time, type %ProgramData% and press Enter. When that folder opens, look for another AnyDesk folder. If it's there, right-click it and delete it as well. Removing these leftover folders helps make sure AnyDesk is fully gone from your system. Finally, restart your computer. Before you do, save any open files or work so nothing gets lost. Restarting helps Windows complete the removal process and clears out any remaining background traces. And that's it. You've now deleted AnyDesk from your PC and removed the leftover app files too. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials, software guides, and easy step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.